Designing and crafting wooden lamps is not merely about building a light source. It's about shaping an atmosphere. It's about capturing warmth, casting softness into a space, and building an emotional experience through light and material. A wooden lamp, especially when handcrafted, embodies something intimate. It stands as a quiet presence in a room, transforming ordinary corners into cozy sanctuaries, casting gentle glows that calm the senses and warm the soul. For the modern woodworker, it's a project where functionality meets art, where income potential aligns with the growing demand for soulful, handcrafted decor. More than that, it becomes a personal expression, a moment of stillness turned into a lasting object. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wooden lamp design ideas to create warm and inviting atmosphere and income generation. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. The emotional draw of wooden lamp design begins with the material itself. Wood is organic, tactile, and inherently comforting. Each piece carries its own story through grain, color, knots, and texture. These natural characteristics offer a sense of authenticity that can't be replicated in synthetic materials. When used in lamp design, wood does more than form structure. It becomes part of the light experience. The way light interacts with a wood surface, seeping into its grooves, bouncing softly off polished grains, diffusing through thin veneers, creates a layered and warm effect that's difficult to achieve with metal or plastic. The result is ambience that feels alive, earthy, and emotionally grounded. Creating a wooden lamp is, by nature, an introspective process. There's a delicate rhythm to it. Selecting the right type of wood, imagining how it will respond to different light temperatures, carving or turning it into shape, and finally pairing it with the right light bulb and shade. It's not rushed. It's thoughtful. Each decision adds to the final experience the lamp will provide. It's not just about what it will look like, but how it will feel. How the shadows will fall across a wall, how the lamp will invite someone to curl up with a book, how it will set the mood in a quiet room at night. This creative process becomes deeply personal for the maker. As a woodworker shapes the lamp, they're shaping a mood. A base turned on a lathe becomes more than a form. It becomes the anchor of comfort. The grain patterns, once hidden inside a rough plank, emerge as elegant lines when sanded and oiled, telling a visual story. A simple filament bulb, when paired with a thoughtfully designed wooden enclosure, suddenly feels like a firelight in a modern home, humble yet timeless. This is where craftsmanship meets atmosphere, and where the maker begins to realize that what they're building is not just a lamp, but a feeling. From a decor perspective, wooden lamps occupy a special niche. They are highly versatile, able to complement Scandinavian minimalism, rustic farmhouse charm, modern industrial aesthetics, or even bohemian eclecticism. That makes them an appealing choice for consumers looking to personalize their homes with items that stand out subtly rather than scream for attention. The lamp becomes a statement not of boldness, but of intention. It says, "This space is meant to feel lived in, warm, and thoughtful." It's that exact intention that makes wooden lamps highly desirable as home accessories, and thus, ideal for small batch production and sale. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. For woodworkers looking to generate income, this is where opportunity shines. Handcrafted wooden lamps appeal to a design-savvy market that values aesthetics, originality, and sustainability. Unlike mass-produced lighting, each wooden lamp can be pitched as a unique piece. No two bases are exactly alike. No grain pattern replicated. This authenticity gives creators a competitive edge, especially on platforms like Etsy, at craft fairs, or through interior design collaborations. Lamps are high-value decor pieces. People are willing to invest more in them than in smaller accessories. With careful branding and quality presentation, a single lamp can sell for several times the cost of materials, offering significant profit margins. Moreover, wooden lamps offer room for customization, an essential ingredient in crafting for income. Clients often look for items that match specific color schemes or spatial requirements. Offering customization options, different finishes, wood types, or even lampshade designs can elevate a maker's profile and drive repeat business. A customer who buys a bedside lamp may soon want a matching floor lamp or pendant version. Over time, what began as a single piece becomes a full product line, grounded in a consistent visual identity and quality standard. And while the commercial benefits are significant, it's the emotional connection that keeps many woodworkers coming back to lamp design. Few things in the home have the quiet emotional power of lighting. A well-placed lamp can define the mood of an entire room. Its light becomes the background to evening conversations, quiet dinners, bedtime reading, and solitary reflection. When someone buys or gifts a handcrafted wooden lamp, they're investing in more than decor. They're investing in those intangible moments of comfort and calm. And for the maker, knowing your work is present in those moments is incredibly fulfilling. Crafting wooden lamps also opens doors to artistic experimentation. Makers can blend wood with other materials like brass, copper, glass, or even concrete, allowing each lamp to become a fusion of textures and elements. This freedom fosters creativity and makes each piece stand apart. More adventurous designs might incorporate bentwood techniques, layered laminations, or intricate carvings. Others may lean toward simplicity, highlighting minimal shapes and natural finishes. Whether ornate or understated, the artistic potential is vast, and each variation speaks to a different decor preference and market niche. In today's homes, where people seek to disconnect from the fast-paced, sterile digital world, warm lighting has become not just desirable, but essential. Wooden lamps respond to that need with grace and depth. They soften sharp angles. They replace harsh overhead lights with focused pools of golden warmth. They invite presence. In this way, wooden lamp design aligns perfectly with the broader movement toward mindful living and intentional spaces, a movement that is as emotional as it is aesthetic. As a business venture, this intersection of emotional resonance and practical need is powerful. People are willing to pay for decor that improves their environment and enhances their well-being. A handcrafted wooden lamp is more than a commodity. It's a touch of human warmth in a machine-made world. It symbolizes time, care, and attention. For the maker, turning those values into a physical object that others cherish is not just financially rewarding, it's soul-satisfying. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wooden lamp design ideas to create warm and inviting atmosphere and income generation. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.